Dames en heren, I'm so excited. Hierdie is 'n belangrike boodskap. Ek is die nuwe my kind. Ek kom. Wag jong. Kus op die TV. Hierdie is 'n belangrike boodskap. Ek wil maar net sê I'm being approached by Brenda Dolly to come and interview her for Brenda Dolly show as 'n nuwe show op haar YouTube channel. Daar op YouTube. So doen daar 'n guns maar asseblief gaan daar soontoe en like, subscribe, sê vir jou vriende, jou ma se vriende, jou pa se vriende, jou broer se vriende, sê vir al jou boyfriend se vriende. Moenie saam met jou boyfriend se vriende slaap nie, want vir Brenda, if you want to, you can. Yes, I would. I am. No, I'm joking. But anyway, yes, that is very exciting. Who's in daily? Oh, yeah, ons moet saam staan. So, yeah. She's opening up the industry, for marginalized societies like us, so that our voices can also be heard, our talents can also be seen. So yes, be there and don't be square because it's going to be very fun. I'm going to be asking you all the questions that you want to know. All the questions, waar is geld? Met dit daar gebeur, saam met die ma? En waar is je post? All that don't go bad, it likes that, and I'm very thankful and grateful for the opportunity. But obviously, if I have to smack and mood the answers out of her, I will definitely do that. Esmeralda Peterson signing out for the Brendan Molly show coming soon. Now stay tuned on all her all her Instagram. You can catch her on Instagram, #Brendan Dolly, die op Twitter. It's Dolly. Miskien dan reg reg kry. Ja, ja, en sy sa op Facebook, but she don't go to Facebook because people there. Yeah, they're very like sticker. So, yeah, but as okay, you can follow her. It's just stay tuned everywhere for her announcement as to when we are coming to you, South Africa. Esmeralda Peterson.